YouTube advanced features are the tools YouTube unlocks for channels that meet certain verification, security, and policy requirements. These features let you upload longer videos, use custom thumbnails, stream live, apply for monetization, hold premieres, run channel membership, post in the community tab, and more. Most features require two things: channel or account verification plus a clean standing with YouTube. That means not having any active strike. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make yourself or your channel eligible for the advanced YouTube feature, how you can be able to enable the advanced YouTube feature on your channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So let's get started. Now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your YouTube Studio, not the YouTube Studio app. You have to go over to the YouTube Studio web. That means you have to go over to your browser, then you log into the YouTube Studio on the web browser. What I'm going to do now is to go over to my mobile browser. I'm going to be using Chrome browser in this video tutorial today. So let me tap on my Chrome browser to open it. You can see right there my Chrome browser is opening up. So once your Chrome browser opens up, or any other browser that you're using on your mobile device, once it opens up, the next step you have to take now is to search for studio.youtube.com. so let me search for it right away. Let me type it in, studio.youtube.com. let me type it real quick. You can see right there I've typed it in. So let me tap on enter to log into the platform. You can see guys, it's loading up. Here is the YouTube Studio. You can see I've been logged in. If you've not logged in before, you'll be asked to log in either with your Google account, the one you use in creating your YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on settings down there. You can see it right there. Let me zoom in so you see it clearly. Let me zoom in. You have to tap on settings. This is the first step you have to take. You can see settings right there. You can see the settings icon right there on the left hand side. So let me tap on it right away. Let me tap on it. So guys can see it's loading up. Right here guys, under the settings you can see we have so many options. What you have to do now is to tap on the second option, which is channel. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it. But before I do that, let me show you guys the whole of the screen. Let me zoom out. You can see the whole of the screen. Now what I'm going to do now is to zoom in back. Let me zoom in. Then what you have to do now is to tap on channel. Let me tap on channel. You can see channel has been selected. Then now let me slide now to the right hand side. Let me slide to the right so you see what is there. You can see what is there. So at the top you have three options there. What you have to do now is to tap on feature eligibility. So let me tap on it. You can see it right there. Feature eligibility has been selected. I think I should show you the whole of the screen. So let me zoom out now. Let me just zoom out so you see the whole of the screen. Right there guys, I believe you can see it more clearly now. Under the feature eligibility, you can see we have three categories: the standard features, the intermediate features, and the last one is the advanced features. And as you can see there, the standard features has been enabled. Also the intermediate features has been enabled as well. The one left is the third one, which is the advanced YouTube feature. As you can see there, it has not yet been enabled. So I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to enable it, how you can be eligible, and as well get it done. So guys, now let me show you what you have to do. So what you have to do is to tap on where you can see eligible, tap on the drop down icon next to the eligible. For the advanced feature, you can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. What I will do now is to zoom out so you can see the whole of the screen. Let me zoom out. Let me zoom out again. Right here guys is the full screen. So let me scroll upwards now. Remember I've tapped on the drop down icon. Let me scroll upwards, then let me zoom in again so you can see what is there right here under the advanced features. So guys, now you can see all the features you're going to be getting once you enable the advanced feature. You can see it right there, and I stated that at the beginning of the video. You can see all of it right there. What you simply have to do now is to slide to the right so you can see the other part of the screen. So let me slide to the right. Right here guys is the requirement for you to be able to enable the advanced feature. You can see the first one there. They said you must have done the intermediate features. That means you must have enabled the intermediate feature, which is the second category. Remember they have three category. The first one is standard feature, the second one is intermediate feature, and they said for you to be able to turn on this advanced feature, you must have done the intermediate feature. So take note of that. So once your intermediate feature is enabled, then you have to do one of these. You can see those three options there: video verification, valid ID, or channel history. So you must choose one of these three. So you must do the intermediate feature, you must enable the intermediate feature, and you must do one of these, either the video verification, valid ID card, or channel history. So what you have to do now is to decide which of the three that you want to go for. Is it the video verification, valid ID card, or channel history? So now for you to begin that process, you have to tap on where you can see access features. You can see it right there, access features. But before I tap on it, let me zoom out so you can see the whole of the screen. Then let me go ahead now to tap on the access features. Let me tap on it right away. You can see, guys, it's loading up. And what I'll do now is to zoom in rather, so you can see the whole of the screen. So let me zoom in. Let me zoom in again. Right there, guys, can see what's written there. It says choose how to access advanced features. This one-time verification gets you the features to take your channel to the next level and helps us keep the YouTube community safer for everyone. They say they should choose among these three options. The first one there is use video verification. The second one there is use valid ID. Then the third one is build channel history. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be going for the second option, which is use valid ID. So let me tap on it now to select it. You can see, guys, I've selected the use valid ID. I want to use a government issued ID card, which is my national identity card. So after that, now what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see next. You can see next right there at the bottom right. But in case you don't want to use your ID card, you can go for the first option, which is use video verification, and that has to do with recording a 15 seconds video of yourself. It's more like a facial verification. Or you can go for the last option, which is building a channel history, like making videos continually for about 2 to 3 months. But in this video, I'm going to be using the valid ID option, which is the second option. So let me go ahead now to tap on next. Let me tap on it. Right here, guys, is the next step. You can see what's written there. It says get email to start verification on your phone. Google is sending the verification link to your email address. Open it on your phone to start verification using your phone's camera. So, guys, what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on get email. You can see it right there on the right hand side at the bottom right. So let me tap on get email. Wow, guys, can see what's written here. It says we have sent you an email. Check your email for verification link. Open the link on your phone. Use your phone's camera to submit your verification. It may take a few minutes for your status on YouTube to be updated. If you didn't get the email, they say you should go to myaccount.google.com/identity/document/submit on your phone browser. So, guys, let me tap on done. Let me tap on done right away. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my Gmail app so I can see the email that has been sent to me. Then I'll tap on the link. So let me open up my Gmail app right away. You can see my Gmail app is opening. So now let me tap on the email. You can see the email there right there. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it now to see the content. Right here, guys, is the email. You can see it says use your ID to get advanced features. It says right here, a one-time ID verification will give you access to advanced YouTube features. This extra step helps us limit spammers and maintain a safer community for everyone. We will help you submit a photo of your ID. If you like, you can also get access to these features by creating a 30 seconds video verification or building your YouTube channel history. I've talked about this before. So what I simply have to do now in order to start this verification is to tap on where you can see start verification so that I can submit my national ID card, which is my government issued ID card. So let me tap on start verification without wasting any time. Let me tap on it. You can see, guys, it's loading up. Can see it's loading. Right here, guys, is the next step. It says verify your identity. To get access to advanced features, complete these steps to verify your identity. The first step is take a photo of your ID. Provide a photo of your ID so we can verify is valid. Then the second step is confirm your information. So you have to confirm your name and your date of birth. So what you simply have to do now is to tap on next. You can see it down there on the right. So let me tap on next to proceed with this process. Right here, guys, is the next step. It says choose an ID type. So you can see driver's license has been automatically selected, but let me tap on the drop down icon to choose from the types that are here. You can see we have driver's license and passport. So let me choose the second option, which is passport. I want to use my national ID card passport. So let me tap on passport now to select it real quick. You can see, guys, it's loading up. It's loading. Wow, guys, you can see passport has been selected. So let me tap on next on the right hand side. Here, guys, is the next step. It says how Google uses your ID for verification. Let me continue reading. You will use your phone's camera to take a photo of your ID. Your ID must clearly show your name and your date of birth. Google will use your ID to confirm your ID is current and valid. They will use it to confirm your name and date of birth. They will use it to check that you haven't been suspended for violating YouTube policy. They will use it to improve verification services for Google products and protect against fraud and abuse. So what you have to do is to take your time to read through all of this. After you're done, then you tap on I agree at the bottom. You can see I agree right there. So let me tap on it. Right there, guys, is the next step. It says this is a notification. It says myaccount.google.com wants to use your camera. So let me tap on allow while using this site. Let me tap on it. Then here's the next step. It says allow camera access and take a photo of the front of your ID. So they said make sure your ID is clear, easy to read, in color, and fit completely within the frame. So make sure your ID is within the frame. So right here you can either take a picture of your ID card using your phone's camera, or you can upload the image of your ID card from your phone's gallery. So you can choose the one that you want to do. You can see right there you can see my ID card right there. So I can decide to take a picture of my ID card, or I can decide to upload it from my my phone gallery by tapping on where you can see upload. You can see upload instead. So let me tap on it. Then I can tap on where you can see photos and videos. Let me tap on photos and videos right away. You can see, guys, it's loading. You can see it has directed me to my phone's gallery. So what I can do now is to scroll and search for my ID card in my phone gallery. So let me just keep scrolling. I'm going to see it very soon. It's nearby here. It's getting close. Let me just keep scrolling. So you can see this is how you can actually select your image from your phone gallery. You can see my ID card right there. It is blurred for security reasons, but let me go back. I want to use my phone's camera to take a picture of my ID card live. I'm going to show you guys. So let me position my ID card right away so I can take a picture of it, and make sure it must be clear, it must be readable, and it must not be cut, it must not be blur. So guys, let me take a picture of it. So to take a picture of it, what I simply have to do now is to tap on the blue icon, the capture icon. You can see it right there. So let me quickly tap on it to proceed. You can see it's loading. It says please don't leave this screen, this should take only a moment. You can see, guys, it's loading up. So let's wait for a few seconds. You can see it's loading up. Right here, guys, is the next step. It says update your info. Enter the exact same name from the document. Include your given name and family name if applicable. To make sure we have it right, we may update the same name to match. So let me go ahead now to input my name, my full name, which includes my surname, which can be my last name, my middle name, and my first name. So let me input it right away. You can see I've inputted it and my date of birth is correct. So let me go ahead now to tap on submit down there on the right hand side. You can see, guys, it's loading. It says verification in progress. Wow, guys, can see what's waiting there. Your ID is in review. Thanks for submitting your ID. Google now needs to review your ID. This may take up to 24 hours. Once your ID is approved, you will immediately be able to use the advanced YouTube features. You can check the status of your request or delete your ID in your Google account. Right here, guys, can see we have successfully now uploaded our ID cards to YouTube. So what we have to do now is to wait patiently for YouTube to actually review our ID and respond to us. By then we'll now be able to know if it was successful or not. Let me just wait. Maybe it might take up to, according to them, it might take up to 24 hours. So let me just wait. Right here, guys, I've been able now to get an email from YouTube, from Google. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my Gmail app. So let me tap on my Gmail app to open it. You can see right there my Gmail app is opening. Now it has opened up. So what I'm going to do now is to search for the email. I received it a while ago. I received it in less than 24 hours. So where is it? Let me keep scrolling. It should be nearby here. There it is. So let me tap on it to open it. Here, guys, is the email, but unfortunately I was denied. You can see what's written there. They said your ID verification was denied. You can see it right there. Let me get to read all of this. It says your ID verification was unsuccessful. You have one more opportunity to try again now to get access to the advanced YouTube features. If you try again, make sure your ID clearly shows your date of birth. Make sure your ID is a driver's license, passport, or other valid ID card. Make sure your ID is current, and make sure your ID does not show any private info that must be covered. Let me continue reading. It says if you like, you can try to get access to advanced features by using video verification or building your YouTube channel history instead. Right here guys is another means they are giving to us. I told you guys that you can also use video verification. So since this verification was not successful, I'm going to try the video verification right now. So let me tap on where it is written using video verification in blue color. That's the link you have to use to start the video verification. So let me tap on use video verification. Remember, I said this video verification is just making a 15 seconds video of yourself, making a facial verification. So let me tap on it right away. You can see guys, it's loading up, it's loading. Then here is the next step. It says agree to video verification. So what you have to do now is to read through all of this. This contains the direction on how you have to go about making the video. So it contains all you have to know how YouTube is going to use the video. So what you simply have to do here is to agree by ticking that box on the left hand side. You can see it right there. You have to tap on it to tick it. So what I'll simply do is to tick it so I can proceed with this process. Let me tap on it right away. You can see I've ticked. So what I have to do now is to tap on I agree at the bottom right. You can see it down there. Let me tap on it. Then here is the next step. It says tips for your selfie. So this contains all the information on how you need to take the selfie, on how you need to video yourself. So just read through all of it, then you're good to go. It says hold your phone at the eye level, use lighting that is not too dim or too bright. Contains these are the information. Just read through it. So let me tap on next to proceed with this video. You can see they said just a moment. They said you can see right here the video verification I've started. It says I should look at the phone. It says I should keep my face in the center of the circle. You can see I've positioned my face. It said I should look forward. Now it says I should look to the left, so I'm looking to the left right away. It says hold still. Then now it says I should look to the right, so let me turn my head to the right. Then let me hold my head still. We can see it has been taken. Wow guys, can see what's waiting here. They said uploading your video, so it's going to take some time. It says this may take few moments, so let's just wait till our video has been uploaded to Google. You can see it's loading up, it's loading. Wow guys, can see what's waiting here. It says your video is in review. Thanks for submitting your video verification. Google needs to review your video. This usually takes up to 24 hours. Once your video verification is approved, you immediately be able to use the advanced YouTube features. What guys can see, we have successfully submitted our video verification. It's see the video verification took less than 15 seconds and we are cool. So what I will do now is just to end this video. Then once I get the email from YouTube, then I will come back to complete the video. So guys, now I got an email from YouTube, from Google. So let me go ahead now to show you guys. Let me tap on my Gmail app to open it real quick. You can see my Gmail app is opening. It took less than 24 hours for me to get this email from them. Let me look for it real quick, and I've seen it, so let me tap on it so I can proceed. You can see the email right there, the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. Wow guys, this time it was a success. You can see what's written there. It says congrats, you can use the advanced YouTube feature. Congrats, you can start using the advanced YouTube feature. Let me continue reading. It says your video verification is approved. You can now use advanced YouTube features. So guys, now you can see after all the rigorous process, I've now been able now to successfully enable the advanced YouTube features on my YouTube channel. So guys, this is how you can be able to do it, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Hopefully I'll see you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.